Fireworks and loud noises can be quite distressing for our furry friends, but with a little preparation and care, we can help keep them calm and relaxed during these noisy events. Here are some tips to help you and your pets navigate through the loud bangs and booming sounds. 1. Create a safe and comfortable space. Set up a designated safe area in your home where your pet can retreat during fireworks or other loud events. This could be in an interior room, a cozy corner, or even a dedicated pet crate. Make sure this space is comfortable, with their favorite blanket, toys, and water bowl nearby. 2. Keep them indoors. It's always best to keep your pets inside when fireworks are expected. This will prevent them from running away out of fear or getting injured in an attempt to escape. Close all windows and doors to minimize the noise, and draw curtains or blinds to block any visual disturbances. 3. Turn on soothing sounds. Create a calming environment by playing soft, soothing music or turning on a white noise machine. These gentle sounds can help drown out the noise of the fireworks and provide a comforting background for your pet. 4. Provide distractions. Keep your pet occupied with interactive toys or puzzle feeders. These engaging activities can help redirect their attention away from the loud noises outside. Consider offering treats or engaging in a game to keep their minds focused on something positive. 5. Use pheromone products. Synthetic pheromone products, such as calming sprays, diffusers, or collars, can help reduce anxiety in pets. These products mimic natural pheromones that mother animals release to calm their offspring. Look for pet-friendly pheromone options at your local pet store or consult with your veterinarian for recommendations. 6. Keep them company. Your presence can provide a sense of security and reassurance for your pets. Stay with them in their safe space, speak to them in a calm and soothing voice, and offer gentle touches if they enjoy it. Your comforting presence will help ease their anxiety during this stressful time. 7. Consider a thundershirt. Thundershirts are specially designed vests made from a soft, breathable fabric that provides gentle, constant pressure to help alleviate anxiety in pets. The snug fit can create a sense of security for your pet, similar to the comfort they may experience when swaddled as a baby. 8. Create a positive association. Start associating the sound of fireworks or loud noises with positive experiences well in advance. For example, you could play recordings of firework sounds at a low level while engaging your pet in a fun activity or providing them with a favorite treat. Over time, this positive association can help desensitize them to the noise. 9. Consult your veterinarian. If your pet experiences extreme anxiety or panic during fireworks or loud events, it may be worth discussing this with your veterinarian. They can provide guidance on possible medications or behavioral techniques that could help manage your pet's anxiety more effectively. 10. Use microchip identification. Despite our best efforts, pets can sometimes become overwhelmed by fear and attempt to escape. Ensure your pet has a microchip with up-to-date information, as this greatly increases the chances of a safe return should they become lost. Remember, every pet is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. It's important to observe your pet's behavior and adjust these tips accordingly. Each fireworks event or loud noise situation may vary in intensity and duration, so it's essential to be prepared and patient with your four-legged friends. With your love, support, and these helpful strategies, you can help keep your pets calm and relaxed during fireworks and other loud noise events.